Snowmen, bogeymen and milkmen in half an hour, followed by Ethel and Ernest at 7. Next it's the farmer's
We apologize for the delay in this broadcast. Soon, emergency information will be aired. Make sure your device is audible, then wait for information. 5 minutes ago, people have been seeing a white tiny dot in the sky. We don't know what it is yet. But for now, stay indoors and do not panic. And remember, stay calm. NASA has found out that the tiny white dot is not a bird, a plane, nor
a black hole.
It is a star named TON-2014
that has
generated 500,090 kilometers away. Once it hits the sun will send
all of their
solar flames
into Earth.
The entire planet will die within a blink of an eye from how hot the flames are. In less than 10 minutes, we will all die. There is absolutely nothing that we can do to stop this situation. We will show you a chart of how much damage our Earth will be once the star hits the sun.
Unfortunately, we can't show the chart because of all the technical difficulties.
Please spend your final moments with all your friends and family. This is the end of the world. We are running out of time. We hope you have a wonderful lifetime. This is BBC 2 shutting
down this
channel for the last
time
permanently.
We will now play
the national anthem.
Them.
Goodbye and good
luck.
God bless you
all.